yeah bene belief ohurang tu muimuke tugambe enkiriza yes the creed muimuke tugambe enkiriza etukwikirizamu nitwa abayenaremu twine enkiriza etukwikirizamu eri kutindura abayenaremu mbwene kiwambuza eky'abantu bataketegerezaga kutwaragira movement y'ekitobero kutwaza movement ya party abantu abamwe tubakicenga tubakitegereza abokuba constitution ya NRM negira ngo abamemba wa NRM toko abamemba w'ikibine kindi. Just listen to me because this is technical. Wabamemba wa NRM toko abamemba wa DP toko abamemba wa UPC toko abamemba wa NUP toko abamemba wa FDC ekyo kitegereza. Number 2 wabamemba wa NRM toko independent abo independent n'abantu batakwikiriza mbivini. Moderator, I want nyina ngo abantu banyetegereze. Abantu ba NRM nubikirizo mu ryeki. Kandi bine constitution, kandi bine code of conduct. Ngwen war member weki nubikirizo mu ryeki. War member wa NRM tokwasa kuba independent. Akuba independent kimanyisa abantu abatine kibine.
I understand you, Professor.
Yes.
Kongo mukwetegereza hari akantu kace kugira ngo abinja bo kwiza independent in most cases na izabwa no kugira ngo tarikirize na fair system terabire fair hati tureba okwibaka rukuringo kurukureta abantu
kugambira konga let's first agree ngo umuntu urukwete independent timemba wa NRM twaza kwikiriza cyo nire bintu bikurata waje independent kibanji manisha
you can't be NRM and be independent at the same time.
No, not at all. No, basa kuba independent of a part of which you are a member. Mwene kirabiro kuba independent okutaba member w'ikibinde cyo remember. It's a contradiction in terms. Mwene waheza kucyetegereza oti. Noja our constitution ya NRM negamba cyantu azayeba member. Mwazo mbururu mutagendaje. Nokora ki? Ubururu wazo mbururu obwa primary. Bwa butagenzireje. Bataho tribunal ngweba ebara muri wachetegereza yetegereza party chairman who is the president ataho tribunal akachiko akarabara muri bakushobiza mbururovu kuba kushobeza bakutera akachiko wije kuija wa yoreke bishobiri kwa repetition abaramuzi bakoramura Ibi wa leta bikaba bishikire ubururu babugarikamo. Ibi wa leta bikaba bitashikire petition bagibinga. Onyetegereza. Kirizo bakira umushana korozo mukoti koza. Ya ibintu bibire bikubaho. Either no singa nangani bukusinga. Tarimugwa kikazi because the judgment must nyetegereza tarimugwa kikazi.
There's no middle ground.
There is nothing kuba kikazi kirumu. Wa leta umushango wagusya a tribunal wa yuboreke bishobire babishijuma kubaza kubishijuma bajangu Yesu hikire ubururu bugarikemu mwabugarikamu yes ibwa leta tarumujuma twabinga no ikiriza enshara ya cottage as a party member waza kutikiriza okemera independent omukibina constitution negira ngo omuntu wa NRM bahiza kwase bendera buru member weno yeto wa NRM akuze nyuma abo abino hakana nabo mu primary bakuze nyuma abo eshonga primary nene yenda ngo yeyo team irize kuzana nebine bindi zanu ompira gomuruka numuru na team yegombore opposite hati muzatima boko hati mwaza agombora that's how you need to understand it to be teromtira gumuruka to yamutimye gombora kuti yamutimye gombora abo bino hakana nabo hati bajya timye yawe abo komeza tera namugombora pate kuronda oratwatire bendera twaza kumuhamu itwa bintu hakana nabo abasingire hati tuzanyuma abo DP n'aba UPC n'aba FDC n'aba NUP amateka nkagira ngo waba utakwikiriza kuze nyuma yo mutubahire bendera wakorera campaign itari yo gubahire bendera wahera material support ogo utari bendera there is a breach, there is sanctions no bohezera amateka ga NRM code of conduct punishment no kubintu bintu bakakubingira system the president burundi wera kumtera ngwen president wa Uganda no DP namtera no FDC namtera no NRM namtera no independent namtera bona namtera aboko ururuwe buri universe betu kudoja nguna president bagira ngo waba president w'ekibina ekibina cyawo cyasinga obe president mbwen ngati you can imagine that yasinga let's purpose is argument ngati yawereka kuita Museveni ihangariwa na buteri ruburu imagine yawereka kuita Museveni kamtera uburu independent kuyala ku parliament yashaka FDC ni majority mbona ategeka ngambira hati ya president w'Uganda na bamumuterire ni yawereka kuita Museveni level ekibina cyagira majority members on parliament kije kiri FDC ubu nategeka ati mbosh hati president wa NRM even then when the president wa NRM ya president wa NRM ashaka ikibina cyo kisingira parliament when nategeka ati nabwo de kuhinza politeka ati independent ko kanya n'ujungu I am independent but NRM leading mbweni ngambira otindi then the party accept them. You never research. As in you distance yourself from them. Frankly speaking, what was it? But now they know they have where to lean. Independent, but then I'm leaning. Why? Actually, it defeats logic. Thank you very much. When your logic is corrected, gender amendment ya constitution aboko ikinimanye cyo kireta number 2 yekiri ku urebire bibina kandi ubigirimo kandi uri kubyetegereza wajya NRM listen to me omu history ya Uganda NRM cyo kibina cyo kuba kine amataji omuri buri cyaro cyona cya Uganda we have over 72,000 villages omu cyaro cyona tuyinemeruka hihi omutwaro gumwe na magana atanu na makumwe na nena inalimwe ina magombora over 2,000 tuyine this 5 mwena bashoma institutions NRM is the most inclusive institution this country has ever had kandi inclusive institutions are very good nzozo ukezo guaranteeing sustained growth yan mwenu abantu wa Uganda wali bakwatishaga NRM omuntu na yetu chira yeah, it's very dangerous. It's very dangerous. Nakwe chwambuzi. Chikabiri. Wa memba wa NRM to kwa memba w'ikibine kindi. Wa memba wa NRM. No kuratira bigenderwa byayo, no kuratira constitution yayo, no kuratira decisions za organ. Zikibina kuzikurata ngamemba kandi ongerena sanctions or enforcing abantu. That's how the institution can stand. nka Tanzania for instance. Tanzania CCM ikatandikwa way back in 70s. Yes, Afro Shirazi yayiga 5 bakora CCM. Okwihowe na CCM is a ruling party. Is still a ruling party. In other words, abantu ngi turijemu ku institution egumeho abitu n'abana bitu icyo cyaza korwa note ko building umujungu twakwita institutionality buri life ya buri muntu wena kikagumizamu niwe nabatabana bonabijwe babo icyo cyaza kuba mutako kugendera amateka y'ikibina to kwasa kugira ikibina ya abantu batakora amateka gacho batakora procedure mwe no buza bagenzi banje bayiganda neki is the most inclusive institution this country has ever had ekigambo cya NRM dutekwa kujombeka eba itwe nabijukuru beitu abo kuba niyo yonka RSR yakakita kandi umukurikita ekagarantinga sustained growth yanga yitu ni economy yitu.
Yeah, no, Professor. Actually, Gamba, you remind me of African National Congress.
Yes.
A party in South Africa.
That's
celebrated 100 years.
That's right.
Back.
That's right.
Abantu ureba na cyo kushiriyo nkigende birebe bakakora coalition n'ikindi kibina.
Yes.
Zakureboreba mwabyakirete cyaje na kigira amana make hakabamo abantu akabisubiye corruption and so many other things. Talk about the shongi wako naho y'abantu abamwe abakurebeka nk'abahango kukire kibina. You can imagine a party big as it is kusanga umuntu nashana ngo ngiye kwibirajyo. We are having those people and that breeds impunity.
Thank you very much. Hadi kamuntu urugama nawe ngiro mu rwa primary elections kandi ndabugirimo kwa kwa sebendera umwe umbere ni pakana nawe ukwade bendera Professor Elijah Dickens mushemeza yakora petition na nyangu yagiro mu ruru bikasho buja gukora petition watahweshoga bwengi emwe abashomesa bakanjuma nabo cyo kubanjumire cyandetera abantu kutangunda ya kabiri kumwarigiro mbururu batera umukazi nabo cyo haro wagiro mu NRM ake amazina gabantu abakubire banteriro bururu cyakana yo Professor Kamuntu senior presidential advisor bakakurikira ibintu wamaho ukabire those are grounds was it
Walta bashizwe
kwaza kusizwa in fact batakashizwe tutaragira mbururu kuvuga kusinga oto no bahako ho kinija kwemera independent mwena ati weja tribunal yagira ngo ebwa leta tanujuma babiga kongo ogabira waragira ngo zakwa independent yaba kushara imwe nyunga mbere yeah first the first requirement ya discipline you must respect the decisions of the party. That's the constitution. Number 2 that's the code of conduct. It is there in the code of conduct schedules number 16 of the constitution. When it's white record he can do anything with which have collapsed. Parties ziragireho zikakolapsinga. Cancer yo kubanza ni indiscipline. Omukibina indiscipline. Indiscipline okatekateka no kire kibina. Indiscipline. Kabatiro tikakwataho.
Nangwe on children kubuze na kandi professor. The other time you did not win.
I did not.
No. You did not win. Hati haruko batine buruka. Haruko yasinga amazima kugana umuntu uje wasinga. Hati tuzomuze kwa abantu bona. Ushanga abantu 10 mwenda bona byo mwaka. Bakwe kwasanga bakari. Of course bona bagenda bagaci. Nangwe umkarura ko uza kwiza. Most people are going to come as independents.
Mwene jo agamba nikirigira principles za NRM. Patriotism, Pan-Africanism, democracy, transformation. Wajoti obutegetsi obutukuza kugira no democracy. Nkibaje government y'abantu. Y'abantu. Abantu nibakwereza consent yabo kubategeka. Kandi waza kutunga consent n'uzumuru. Consent is expressed through electoral.
Niwakuraba.
Banana batekwa gugu. Mbwenu wazo mbururu oda kwikiza nguro wasa kugwa. They always say nibabwira ngo wano urangu hit ne ganzi utakazo mchimu. Mbwenu wano urangu kwa ganzi utazo mbururu. Abo possible abo kwa kitekwa.
Because babo abantu bagaruka.
That's why I'm saying ni kilinking it. Kirizoba kirumushana NRM kweli kiruza democracy as a core principle y'ikibinda. Bambe bamwe bakimanya waza kutunga consent of the government kukweza nguniwe. Waza kwa mbururu. Ina no singa ujitwara nanga no singa okwa kikazi kimu. Yes, tukuza kugira ngo mwembe mwagwa kikazi. Mwembe mwahika. No, only one. By the way, when abako bitungana babikwata abatabitunga baragumana batungana. So the issue is how do you resolve conflict? That's the forward. Bit chabe chatwingane. Chabe chamajembe. Chabe impunity. That's you have a problem. And that's what you must fight. You must have a party in a discipline, in a code of conduct, in a constitution, in an organizational constitution. Organization is the common respected. Only then kind of kagabichi. The chairman mnonga. Abashe ni basima mnonga kumpereza bendera. Kandi okutuko mnonga kwaza. Nabo mukajibereza konka bawiba. Ninga bantu bawiba aboko babwibire hati n'abakigamba nyomushana. Tuturaha babiri.
Mukabireka umwe.
Twabireka. Konka bwandi ruhanga ino kwakora ibintu. Ababire nibenda kureba hati barebire. The performance y'abatu bibire was miserable. Mwena hii kubasimira. Muchemere